What's up guys, it's your boy John LSX. So today we're going to go ahead and get started on Jerry's truck. We're going to start disassembling it, taking the whole front end off, which is the bumper, the headlights, and the grille. We are going to be taking the doors off, the side mirrors, the tailgate, and the rear bumper, tail lights, the third brake light. We're going to get started on it. So on the last video I showed you guys where all the body work is at. So we went ahead and marked them all. So right here, as you can see, is all wavy at the top. Some 3 spots right here on the bed. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this truck. We're gonna start disassembling it. Like I said, we are gonna be taking the front end off, the doors off, the tailgate, the bumpers, all the lights. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this chingadera, la verga. We'll bring the clip. Oh, it doesn't. Oh shit. Get a palo way. This shit doesn't have no things because of the tubs. So guys, that's practically it on the front end. We went ahead and took off the grille, both headlights and the bottom bumper. On the passenger side is missing the harness for the fog light. As you can see on the driver's side, it's right here. And then his headlight, the clip is all broken. I don't know if the previous owner or shop did that. This one's all Gucci. There's nothing wrong with it. But yeah, that's it on the front end. We're gonna work our way to the back with the tail lights, the third brake light, the tailgate, and the rear bumper. So guys, this is the Jerry's front bumper. As you can see, there's a dent right here and another one right here. His lower valance is not even connected all the way. You can see, look at that gap. You can see the light all the way. Look, it's broken right here. It's missing a lot of hardware. The reason why the front bumper started chipping is because they didn't even prep it right. They didn't even throw primer or anything. The reason I could tell is right here. You see that? Still chrome, no DTM, no nothing on it. On the inside, there's not even overspray of the primer. So that's how I know that you didn't even primer it. Right here along the edges. Has a lot of bolts loose. The 7's loose, this one's loose. This clip's not even all the way in, nor this one. This one's all broken. They said fuck it, it's not even connected. This one's broken, that one's broken. This side's pretty much good. But yeah, look, there's a broken clip right there. See if the camera will pick it up. Right there. This bracket's even missing a bolt. There's a bolt that goes right here, but it's all loose. The 3 bolts that go right here, the 7's, they're all gone. You can see it's all missing it. But yeah, this is Jerry's front bumper. It's not even primed or nothing. That's why I started chipping. So guys, that wraps this video up. We basically took the front end off, the rear end also. We just got to do the rear bumper. We did the headlights, tail lights, we removed all that. On the next video, we're gonna get started on the bodywork. We are gonna be taking the doors off and the rear bumper. I just didn't get the chance to do it on this video, but on the next one, I'll be doing all of that. I already showed you guys basically when I did Isma's truck how to take off the grill and the headlights and the bumper, so there's no need to show you on Jerry's truck because there's the same model of Silverado. But yeah, this is it right here, guys. Took the rear tail lights off, the third brake light off. We took off the tailgate. So on the next video, we're gonna get started on the body work. We are gonna be taking off the rear bumper like I mentioned, the doors off, the door panels, the front end is already off. As you guys can see. We are going to be taking the intros off, so when we do the body work on it, it is going to be on jack stands, so we don't have to worry about, you know, polishing them up. Even though we are going to be polishing them up because they need a good polish, but just so we don't, you know, scratch them and get them all dirty. So guys, this wraps this video up. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Follow my business page on Instagram at The Painters. Peace.